battery, so 13 amp in my scenario, and I ride like 45 miles in the single charge. I did. Alright guys, as you can see, we did the off-road, we did the on-road, I ride in the parks. So this is my thoughts about this bike. So from the front, right, front suspensions works out very good. Even this part is like a floating side. The frame actually, it puts all the weight on the middle, so the suspension balance is perfect. As you can see, I'm riding in the high speed and the off-road, and suspensions worked out very good. The front taper side, it's going to be angle, it's a lot stiffer, so the turning maneuverability is very good. Like if you can make very sharp turns, tight turns, also keep it stable on the high speed. Only thing, it could be better. The throttle is a little bit like a 0.5 seconds is delayed every time you touch, and the speed button is delayed a little bit, like a 2-5 seconds difference. Other than that, headlight is very good, front suspension is good, and the wire management, I did a different style wire management. As you can see from the factory, it was sticking out a lot of wires here, so I zip tie the wires a lot cleaner. Now the front looks very good. Headlights is good. Turn signals, you have on the back the brake and turn signal lights on the back. That's very good. Shimano derailleurs, pretty standard with all the different e-bikes. Extra large screen, I like it. When you're riding, the large screen, it works very good. It's nice and clean at the daytime. The loud horn, and the frame is a lightweight frame compared with a lot of different e-bikes, like a motorcycle type, like a moped type e-bike. These frames is a lot lighter weight, so, and also all over the place you can handle when you loading the bike, right? You can keep it up, you can just lift it, put it down, so it's going to be, overall the size is very good. The wheels, surprisingly, rolling resistance on this bike is very good, and the seats, actually seat heights, I'm gonna put right here, is very tall seat, right? On the picture it looks very small, but it's very tall. Battery, you can buy the multiple different options, the battery, so 13 amp in my scenario, and I ride like 45 miles in the single charge. I did some pedal assist, all that stuff, and it was taking very good. So battery is good. Charging system is like a 2 amp, it's fast charging. Even the pedal assist at the top speed, it hits when you pedal, it hits like a 32 miles per hour. I can able to do it 32 miles. And as you can see, front sprocket is huge, large front sprocket, so it's going to be some pedal over. But surprisingly, rolling resistance is very good. Brakes, make sure you keep very hard braking like first 3 days, because when the brakes is brand new, it's not going to stop very good. But when you grab the brakes later on, this is not the hydraulic, this is a cable brake, so it's going to be wake up very good. Kickstand, this works perfectly, and overall, as you can see, I'm staying on the top side, right? This bike on the picture, it looks tiny, but it's actually very tall bike. All the other bikes I reviewed, it's a lot like DTGCH and the fifth wheel, all of them, it's like up to here, right? It's a lot lower, but this bike is surprisingly very tall bike. And also you can adjust the back suspension, not the front suspension. The front suspension is going to be just a flat, not adjustable. Wheels or tires are standard tires, but the wheels, I like these kind of, the wheels, you don't have any maintenance, and a lot easier to clean than compared to this spoke wheels, right? The hub motor is zero resistance, very easy rolling hub motor, and even they say it's like a 1200 watts, the 12 to 15 at the peak. It's hub motor, because the bike is super light, it's like actually accelerates very good. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.